Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a design team project for Ephemoire. The kit that I used for this project was called Violets and Roses, and I will put the link below to Ephemoire's website, so please go over and check it out. So I've made a soft cover, it's cardstock again with my thicker white cardstock sewn on the back. That's the nice pretty papers. There's a lot of shadowing. I'm ever so sorry, it's dark outside, so the artificial light isn't great. So we've got some lace trim here on the spine. I have used some of Ephemoire's other background papers in this, and here was a little piece here that I've glued on. Actually stitched and then glued it on. Stitched this tag, another piece of Ephemoire's paper there. I found a little tag or a little journaling card thing, and it said "You belong among the flowers." So I cut all that up and I glued that on there. Got a bowl here. There's a bit of crocheted trim under there, some cheesecloth, this white flower here, some bling, and we have eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. So let's go inside. So we've got a pocket on the inside cover with a tag, and I've got various other ephemera that I popped into this as well. This opens out. This page had this nice band going across it, and this is one of the journaling cards from the kit. So I just glued that onto some coffee dyed paper and then just edge cut it and glued that on. It says "You were born to fly." Here I've got a flip up, which is a tuck. Got a little dress form tag from the kit, this journaling card from the kit, and I've backed them onto some white cardstock. Just a piece of ephemera. This is from the kit, and a tag. We have a square doily which I have folded in half, so to speak, so that it gives the triangle look. A little petal envelope, I think that's what they're called, from the kit. It's just coffee dyed, so you can tuck something in there. The flower is from the kit, so I fussy cut that and glued that onto there. And some coffee dyed paper, it's been stenciled. This page is from the kit. This was one of the background papers from Ephemoire, and I just made a little corner pocket there. A library card, these are from the kit, so you can do some journaling on there. Some music paper, some more ephemera just paper clipped on. Lots of places to journal. This little circle was from the kit. These little tags are from the kit as well. Really pretty. And is this just a journaling card, that's not from the kit, and just a scrap piece from the background papers that I made into a bookmark with some not crochet trim, just some lace trim there. Here I've just done a flip up, flip down, and we've got a library card inside there, and there's some trim here and a little banner, a doily. This little postcard is from the kit. I've got a side pocket here with a tag, just a journaling card there, another journaling card, little tag from the kit, and this little journaling card again from the kit. And there's a dainty piece of trim on there, I'm not sure if you can see it. So it's some music paper, some ephemera just tucked in, some hearts on a string, some more ephemera just paper clipped on. Here's another pocket using paper from Ephemoire, a little tag, little journaling card, another postcard from the kit, and these two. And again, some dainty trim. Another little petal envelope, and these little pansies are from the kit, and I just fussy cut that and glued that on there. So like I said, you can tuck something inside there. Another doily, another flip up, and inside there we have a library card and a tag, and there's some trim on there and a little banner. Here I just made a belly band, and this is from the kit, as is this. This was just some scrap pieces of cards, design of cardstock that I had. So I made a little booklet. It's just got plain white paper in there. There's eight pages, so 16 front and back. And this paper is from Ephemoire as well. Just sit up there. Some more ephemera that's well paper clipped in. Some of these paper clips are so strong. Like you put them on and you can't get them off. This is just a flip out. It's got a doily and it's a pocket. There's actually nothing in there, so I will put this little library card inside there. Little journaling card and a doily, and the back page, yes of course it's glued, a corner flip with some journaling cards. This is from the kit, a little dress form and a little tag, and in here we just have a tag and some more journaling cards. So there is lots of room to journal, lots of ephemera. I liked this, I thought I'd try something different, so this is what I come up with. It's a nice idea. I will put a link below to Ephemoire's website, like I said at the beginning, and also this will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thank you for watching. Bye.